Can anyone understand what is the answer to this? Ashwo kim kuruta?
Знает ли кто-либо ответ на этот вопрос в упражнении?
Correct. But first thing to realize is that the verb is dhava. Dhava. That is the verb. Now, it is for two horses. So, what will be the correct grammatical form? Dhavatah. Dhavatah. Now, so the answer will be what? The answer to this question will be, maybe someone of you can write. Who can write?
Кто может написать ответ?
Can you write?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Then it's better that you write.
I will try.
First of all, the noun. The noun is ashwa. Ashwa.
I write by itself or by one?
No, just like this. It's written there. Ashwa. Now, what do we write? Dhavatah. Yes, correct. The akar. No, akar. Dha. Dha. Va. Tah. Visarg. Two dots.
Две точки. Висарга.
Dhavatah. Correct. Oh, and the top line? Oh, not the whole thing. Yeah. Dhavatah. Okay? Now, this is a very deep exercise. First of all, you realize a noun, the case of the noun, the number of the noun, there are two horses. Ashwa. Now, they are running. So first, dhatu, root of the word is dhav, and then it matches the first person dual number, dhavatah. If, let me ask someone. Oh, you know, I should ask you. Please tell me, if there was one horse, how will this sentence change? If this was only one horse, how will this sentence change? Correct. Ashwaha dhavati. Who is confused about this?
Кто не понимает, о чем мы сейчас говорим, о числе и о
If there
лице?
was one horse, it would have been written Ashwaha dhavati. Because there are two horses, we are saying Ashwau dhavata. If there were many horses, what will we say?
Что мы скажем, если там будет много лошадей?
Ashwaha dhavanti. Okay? Ashwaha dhavanti. Let me write down. Ashwaha dhavanti. All right. I wish I had two screens because writing here, people at the back cannot see. But changing it from here every time is a very big problem. Can we change this? Ashwah Dhavati. It is for one horse. If we had two horses, then we will say Ashwau Dhavatah. If we have many horses, we will say Ashwah Dhavanti. This we have done few classes ago. It is a practical exercise. Okay? Does everyone understand this?
Все ли понимают, почему так происходит?
I understand regarding the verb, but regarding the noun, is it the common rule to form the plural? Because probably I missed this part.
Correct, correct. I am glad you asked this. We have actually not done this part, and that is why this is a problem. You can take it from this that the word which noun which ends in a, Ashwah, Balakah, Ramah, this will be the first form. I have jumped one step, but this is the form for the noun when it changes the number. And you will see it almost matches, not exactly, but almost matches the pronoun that we had remembered. Sah tau te, tvam yuvam yuyam, aham avam vayam. Do you remember that? So in noun, that was pronoun. In noun, it makes this form. Ashwah, ashwau, ashwah. If it was a balak, means a child, we will say balakah, balakau, balaka. If it is Ram, we will say Ramah, Ramau, Rama. Nar means a man. We will say Narah, Narau, Nara. Narah, Narau, Nara. Good that you pointed out. I was actually jumping this step. Vadim, I think we should, yeah.
May I ask, please repeat pronunciation?
Is there any problem in pronunciation of this? Ashwah. Ashwah Dhavati. Ashwau Dhavatah. Ashwah Dhavanti. Okay? Now, we can come to our own slides and the page where we have different verbs. Let us come to that page. I want both of you to do now this exercise with me. There are two tables. We are going to have two tables. One table, as you remember, is Sah, Tau, Te, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Aham, Avam, Vayam. This is the table of the pronouns. And then you remember this table where we form the conjugation. I am just writing the short form. Ti, tah, anti, si, thah, tha, ami, avah, amah. Okay? So, if the dhatu is patha, then we say sah pathati, tau pathatah, te pathanti, tvam pathasi, you are reading, yuvam pathathah, yuyam pathatha, aham pathami, avam pathavah, and vayam pathamah. There are two tables and we are basically mixing them up properly. Column to column, line to line. And that is how we make sentences.
Как раз на основании этих двух таблиц их очень важно запомнить. На основании их и формируются предложения. То есть берем часть из первой таблицы, часть из второй и соединяем их.
Now, these are the verbs, and I'm going to ask a sentence, and you will have to translate that for me. Okay?
Я сейчас составлю предложение и попрошу вас перевести, используя те слова, которые у нас уже есть.
We are talking of cows. They are grazing in the field, and if we have to say they are walking, they are walking, how will you write in Sanskrit?
Если мы говорим о двух коровах, которые находятся в поле, то как мы скажем, они идут?
The verb is chara. There are many cows which are walking.
Есть много коров, которые идут.
How will you say they are walking? Can you come to the board? They are walking. One line is missing. Charanti. Yeah, but you also write right now for the pronoun. Which pronoun will you use? Te. So just write down, because some people will not understand. Before. Te charanti. Atlishna. Well done. Te charanti. They are walking. Te charanti. Okay? Now, this was an example. I'm not moving right now. You win. You win. Can you write it down? There are three things you have to match. You win. Win. Win you have to take from here. So the word, the root is jaya. Jaya. Conquer. to win, to conquer. You. You. What is you in Sanskrit?
Как будет ты на санскрите?
Please write here. Please write here. It becomes too low. You win. How will you translate this? You win. What is you in Sanskrit? Look at this chart. It is here. That is why I wrote this chart. There are 3 charts. You only have to mix and match. Twam. 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 Halan. Those. And the line. This is you. Twam. Now you win. The verb is jaya. The root is jaya. And you have to mix it with this chart. Oh, okay. That is the problem. Sorry. Separate words. Separate words.
Отдельно.
Отдельно, да?
Twam.
Нет, это просто слово отдельно пишется. Это фраза, и там 2 слова.
Just as we wrote here, te charanti. You have to write twam. What after that?
Джеси. Джараки. Си. Джараки.
Во второй табличке как раньше рядом.
Вот вы как раз под ней пишете.
Да.
Jayasi. First you write Jayasi. That's the problem. What did we do here? Charanti. Char we took from here and we added with anti.
Мы берем корень и подставляем соответствующее окончание.
So the verb here is Jaya and you have to add with C. Okay. Now let me say this because I will have to. You win Jaya C. That's it. Tvam Jaya C. Is that clear to everyone?
Всем ли понятно, что мы делаем?
Okay.
Мне непонятно.
Непонятно. Okay. Tvam is proverb.
Да.
You. Okay. Now you say you win.
Да.
Win. The root verb is Jaya.
Все. Поняла, добавила.
Ну, окончание, личное окончание, да.
And then you have to add with this
добавила
chart.
ти. Поняла.
Сейчас поняла. Okay. All right. Anyone has this kind of confusion?
Есть ли у кого-либо такие же сомнения?
Anyone has this kind of confusion? Please come up. We will fix up the problem.
Если кому-то что-то непонятно, пожалуйста, подходите к доске, объясним.
Next example. We all live.
Мы все живем.
All live. How do you write in Sanskrit? We all live. If you can write. Okay. How about you? Can you write? Okay. How about you? Can you write? No? How about you? You should be able to write. No? Who wants to try? You want to try? Come. We all live. Please try and write. Отлично. Чудово. Okay. Vayam jivamaha. We all live. Vayam is we all. Jiva is to live. And the plural, the form, right form is amaha. Vayam jivamaha. Correct? All of you know? All right. We two swim.
Мы вдвоем плывем, плаваем.
We two swim. Can you come? Last one. No? How about you? Okay. How about you? Can you do this? I think you can try. Come. We two swim. It's written there. All the verbs I am taking from here.
Все слова, все с доски.
Tara. Tara. Oh, sorry. It's the meaning of swimming also. Swim. Tarati. Cross or overcome or swim.
4-я строчка.
Tara. So we all, or you can say we two are crossing. Let's take it.
Или мы вдвоем переходим, давайте так скажем.
We two.
Мы вдвоем.
Two of us. It's here. We two. This is I, this is we two, this is we all. So we two are crossing. We two. First you have to write about we two.
Нас двое сначала напишите.
Now comes the verb. Verb is tara. And
Теперь
what will
глагол
you
в
write?
нужной форме.
Taravaha. Taravaha. Tara, akar, 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 akar. No. Taravaha. Visarga. Yes? Correct. Avam tarava. No halan. There is no halan there, you see. That's it. Avam tarava. Panyatam? Yes. Okay. One more. Let's try. Who will try? You want to come? You? Yeah? Come. You can try. You want to try? Come. Okay. They two are leading.
Они вдвоем опережают.
They two. He, they two, they all. So they two. Two of them are, what did I say?
Leading.
Leading.
Они вдвоем лидируют. Лидируют, опережают.
Tau. Naya. Tah. Correct. Very good. The only problem is the way you write na is not correct. Na, how will you write na? No. Nia. Nayatah. You write na like this. That's not correct. You write na, ya, ta. Na is written like this. This is what I was telling you. Okay?
Won't be the halant in yellow.
Halan.
There's a
Nayatah. No.
No, we won't have it.
No. What have? Actually, maybe there is a mistake here. Ti ataha. It should have been ataha, but we don't write it.
Okay.
For example, patha is also with halan, but we say pathataha. So in actual form, it is ataha.
Takes the halant.
Yes, and similarly, it should also be athaha, atha. Everywhere the a will be there. But for ease of speaking, like a poem, you simply say like this.
Okay.
Tita anti sita tha. Otherwise, you are right. It should be, it can be confusing. So, what did we write there? She, tau nayata. Okay? One more sentence.
Can I have a question?
Yeah.
Why we write T? Because there is always now, night.
Naya.
Naya.
It's Naya.
Naya, no?
Naya. It is Naya, and this is what she also asked. There should have been a halant if there was no a. But actually that a is understood. And I gave the example, pat also has a halant there. But when you say pathataha, it's actually taking an a inside.
We input ta.
Sorry?
Why we write ta? There is no ta
Wait.
rule.
No, it's here.
Ah,
Sah pathati, tau pathataha.
understand.
Это уже окончание, это не
Once
боль.
again, there are two columns. You have to keep them matched. Whatever is the number or person, these are persons. Oh, I'm sorry. These are numbers and these are persons.
Помните про
So,
число
the
и
number
лицо, когда
And person has to match. Simple.
формируете
It's very
предложение.
mathematical. Once you remember the chart, it is very easy to make any sentence.
Очень важно понять эти две таблицы, потому что без этого тяжело будет формировать предложение. То есть это основа основ.
Today, because I believe we have all understood this basic point, today we will make one little progress, and that progress is all these words that are written here, they are simple words, and most of the Sanskrit words follow this norm. Pardon?
Сегодня мы с вами немножко углубимся. Все эти слова, они довольно простые, и они подпадают под стандартные нормы санскрита.
But then, like every rule, there are exceptions.
Но, как и в каждом правиле,